Hi guys, Trail Hound here, and this video is going to be demonstrating a new stove design. You can see the top of it looks very much like your two-piece bottle stove. But what I've done is I've double rolled the stove and used two top portions of the bottles for the inner wall, so that it can be hollow. It is sealed. It's seal itself if you cut everything to the right size. So then I made some jets in here. So this is a chimney, sealed chimney jet alcohol stove. However, because of the size of the holes, it's more of a low pressure. And then here's your primer wick. It's just a piece of carbon felt fitted onto the inside of the bottom portion. So as you tilt it, you'll fill it, and you'll see some fluid start to run out these holes, and it'll run down and wet the primer wick just a little bit, and that's when you'll stop fueling it, level it out, and put the filler cap back on. In this particular one, I wouldn't have necessarily needed the filler cap hole because I fuel it with a micro nipple cap, and that micro nipple cap will actually just fit into the end of these holes. Anyway, that's how it's set up for now. So I have 1 ounce of alcohol in this bottle, and this is the pot stand. Just temporarily made this so that I could use it specifically for this stove. So let's get that ready. I got a pot here. Don't know if you can see that. 16, 2 cups, and that's going to be colder than room temperature because that's out of my tap on cold. And anyhow, so let's get this thing fired up. I'm not going to time this, like I said, it's just a demonstration and somewhat of an experiment as far as the pot stand goes. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm tipping it, I'm fueling it. I'm also going to be checking how much fuel it'll hold like this because I've not yet tested that. So that's why this is 1 ounce exactly. So it's just come out the holes right now. Just came out the holes and went down to wet the primer. Take the stove, place it in there. So that's how much we've got left out of 1 ounce. So it's probably got a 3/4 ounce capacity. And light it right like that. Place is falling apart. Alright, let me turn some lights out here. That's the best I can do for now. It's daytime. So I don't know if you can see it. There's a bit of a flame coming up there on the side. That's going to help prime the stove. And these larger jets will ignite. Now we got the larger jets starting. Okay, so there we are, burning. That's about how it burns. It'll calm down a little bit once that wick finishes burning off. So we've got that going there. I'm just going to try to move this camera down a little bit. Okay, so it didn't take very long. We're still burning just the same as normal there. There we have our heavy rolling boil. So let's pull it off here for now. See if we can get that. There it is.